In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the essential features of QuickBooks to streamline your financial management tasks. Whether you're reconciling accounts, checking your bank transactions, or diving deeper into your accounting settings, this guide will ensure you can confidently manage your finances using QuickBooks. So, let's dive into the process step by step. We'll begin by heading over to the QuickBooks homepage. You'll want to log in with your credentials at qbo.intuit.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find all your main tools and features neatly organized for easy access. This central hub is where you'll kick off your financial management journey. Next, let's click on Bank Transactions. You'll find this option easy to spot, typically located in the left-hand menu. By clicking here, you can view all your recent incoming and outgoing transactions, ensuring everything is recorded accurately. This section serves as a comprehensive list of all your banking activity, offering direct insights into your financial health at a glance. Once you've reviewed your bank transactions, the next logical step is to click on Reconcile. This crucial feature lets you compare bank statements with your recorded transactions in QuickBooks, helping confirm that the amounts match. Engaging in this practice regularly can help identify any discrepancies early, allowing you to tackle potential issues long before they escalate. Now that you've opened the Reconcile page, you'll notice the option to enter your statement ending balance. Input the final balance from your most recent bank statement into this field. This figure ties together all previous transactions within a specific time frame, ensuring your records align perfectly with the bank's records. Following this, select your statement ending date. This refers to the final date on your bank statement for the period you are reconciling. Accurately setting this date helps maintain consistent and reliable records, which are vital for your quarterly reviews and year-end reporting. Moving forward, navigate to Settings. Typically accessible in the top right-hand corner, this section allows you to customize various features to better suit your business needs. By tailoring these settings, you can improve the efficiency of your accounting practices and optimize your user experience. Under Settings, click on Account and Settings for I. Here you can tweak essential company data, such as address and contact information, ensuring everything reflects your current business status. Keeping this information up to date is crucial for legal reasons and fosters clear communication with clients and vendors. Finally, head over to the Advanced section found within the same menu. This area is where you make changes to your accounting preferences. By selecting Accounting, you can manage things like your fiscal year start date, accounting method, and other critical details that define how your books are managed. Fine-tuning these settings ensures that your financial reports provide the most accurate and relevant insights possible, supporting informed decision-making as your business grows. By following these steps, you are well on your way to mastering QuickBooks and ensuring your financial records remain accurate and compliant.